Every year, the BMW Group produces more than 1 million vehicles. Each model offers the highest possible safety for its occupants. To reduce fuel consumption, cars are being built lighter. But how do you still guarantee maximum protection? We want to reduce CO2 emissions. That means we have to reduce the weight of the parts on the car. But that shouldn't come at a cost to safety. In the tool and plant engineering facility at the BMW factory in Munich, engineers are developing so-called press tools. These tools will later press body parts into their shape. The BMW plant in Dingolfing. Starting with a straight piece of sheet metal, the tool presses with a force of up to 2,000 tons of pressure, forming the component. In this case, the B-pillar, which later comes in the middle of the vehicle and is extremely important for the protection of the passengers in the car. Pressing tools have to endure the complete length of production of a model. Over the years, hundreds of thousands of parts press precisely to within 1/10 of a millimeter. Therefore, they must be extremely robust and precisely constructed. In the tool-making plant of BMW, steel plates are milled in multiple steps by the most modern machines on the basis of CAD models, from raw cut to finishing, formed to finished compression molds. That is the finished tool which will later bring the B-pillar into shape. But how can these presses help the components to be lighter? To make our components lighter, we use thinner sheet metal. That doesn't mean they are any less stable. On the contrary, we have developed a method of pressing that makes the component harder and more rigid. How? Quite simply, with fire and water. And this is how it works. The already formed B-pillar is heated in an oven to the temperature of 900 degrees Celsius. Thereby, the outer layer of zinc reacts with the steel and becomes an iron-zinc alloy. This protects the component from corrosion. Then the B-pillar goes into another press. The specialty? The press is cooled with water. In the interior of the tool, a system of cool channels directs the warmth away from the component. The water flows closely to the surface to rapidly cool the part. In less than 8 seconds, the press shocks the part from 900 down to 200 degrees. That creates a highly tempered B-pillar, and that's why less steel is necessary. The part is therefore thinner and approximately 20% lighter. At the moment, we produce hard-pressed parts, especially for safety-relevant areas of the vehicle, for example the B-pillar, or the rocker panel on the side of the vehicle, where, in the event of a crash, it's close to the occupants. In the future, the water-cooled press method will be used for parts in other areas of the vehicle. The tool construction plant at BMW in this way contributes to the reduction of CO2 produced from its vehicles and still offers the highest possible safety to its occupants.